Do you have Windows 7 or 8 operating system? Do you want to upgrade to the latest version of operating system? Do you have a computer that is not booting up and getting this kind of errors? If you answered yes to any of these questions, then what are we waiting for? Let's get you up and running on Windows 10. Do you know that Windows 7 came to its end of life at January 14, 2020? This means there will be no support, no update, and most importantly, no security patches. What this means is that your computer is at risk and your system can be vulnerable to hackers. It's time to upgrade to Windows 10, which is the current operating system as of today, year 2020. This process is very simple. If you just follow my lead, I will guide you step by step how to upgrade your Windows 7 or Windows 8 to Windows 10. To get started, we need to download Windows 10 Media Creation Tool. To do this, open a browser, navigate to this website. The link will be in the description. Once you're here, you will see this website and click on Download Tool Now. Once it's downloaded, you're going to click on Run. We need to install the software, so click Yes. Next, click on Accept. At this stage, you have two options. If you want to upgrade this computer, you choose Upgrade this PC now. If you have another computer, you need to upgrade to Windows 10, which is from 7 to 10. You're gonna choose option 2. In my case, I'm gonna upgrade this PC to Windows 10. All I gotta do is click on the radio button and click Next. So at this stage, it's gonna download Windows 10, and we'll be back once this is complete, which will take a long time depending on the speed of your internet. So I'm gonna pause this video and I will continue once this is 100%. Now we're back. We got licensing and terms notification again. We're gonna click Accept. Now we wait until next step. So I'm gonna pause the video and we'll be right back. Welcome back now with another pop-up window, and which this will be the most important and critical part of the installation. So we got three choices: keep personal files and applications, keep personal files only, or nothing to be kept. This is a choice you have to make if you want to keep all your files and or applications, or you want to do fresh new Windows 10 install. If you choose this option, everything will be deleted and nothing will be kept when it comes to your documents, pictures, videos, or any kind of applications you have installed on your computer. This option will keep only your files and clean up all your applications. The first option, it will keep all your files and applications and install Windows 10. So if you have a Windows 7 application, it may or may not work on Windows 10. So the choice is yours at this part, but in my case, I'm going to choose the first option to keep all my apps and files and click Next. Now we'll be right back for the next step. This window will pop up and this will install all your Windows applications and operating system. Your computer will restart a couple of times and it will do updates and more restart. So hang in there, I'm gonna speed up this process so you can view what I mean. Our Windows 10 is ready to go. Now we're gonna log in. This will be the same password as your Windows 7 or 8 operating system. Nothing has been changed. Now you will get this welcome message. This will set up your profile. So give it a few minutes, it'll be ready for you to start using your new Windows 10 operating system. At this stage, based on your privacy settings, it's up to you what you want to do. In my case, I would like to turn off all of the settings. So I will click on each one of them and click accept. And here you have it. Your Windows 10 is ready for use. Now the next step will be to update your Windows 10. So click on the start menu on the bottom left corner and then click on settings, updates, and check for updates. This is really important for you to get the new latest operating system. So as you see, there are a few updates available for us to download and install. This concludes this video on how to upgrade from Windows 7 to Windows 10. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, give a thumbs up, and share the video. See you on the next video. Bye for now.